Alright guys, so this is my 2014 Mustang GT right here. As you guys can see in the last part, we pretty much tore apart the whole top end of the motor, and I lied. This motor's not blown up, and our other cameraman did not know that.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, this motor's not blown up, but we're putting a bunch of shit on it today. The video of this thing, Rod Knock, I posted on my story, I spliced the audio with a clip from an LS with Rod Knock.
Are you actually serious? Bro, you're fucking lying.
Yeah, I'm being so dead ass. Hold on, wait, where's my phone? Just listen to the clip.
You fucking asshole.
Wait.
Bro, you're lying.
It's been like 20 minutes. God, guy, chill. You fucking, he's dying. He's dying over there. This is one way to start one of the videos. Our cameraman number 2 is dead. So inside here we have all of the new Go Fast parts for the 5.0 to make this thing feel like a rocket ship. So now right over here we have all the new stuff. We're gonna go ahead and grab all these, bring them down to the garage, so we'll have a little bit better lighting and get started putting everything together. Alrighty, so we're gonna start going through all these parts here, get them all laid out, and ready to just get started. Oh no! Boost Life Lethal Performance koozie. This is awesome, I'll use this later. So right here, as you guys can see, we have a ton of new stuff, a ton of Ford Performance parts, and a ton of just good quality parts, honestly. So first up right here, this is our new Division X high flow billet fuel rail kit. Right here we have a J&L oil separator. This is an oil catch can kit, as you guys can see here. This is gonna go on the car probably later on, as we're just gonna get everything kind of ready to put on. Over here we got some Street Fire MSD coil packs, and then over here I believe this is the 87mm throttle body spacer. We have an 87mm throttle body right here, as well as these right here are the Ford Performance spark plugs for the car, so they're gonna go with our coil packs. And then right here we have some Ford Performance 80-pound injectors. And the piece de resistance over here, this right here is the big boy. This is the big kahuna, the big one. This right here is a Boss 302 ported by 1320 Junkie, and this one is boost proof, meaning that it can hold 35 pounds of boost. Granted, that car out there can only hold like 7 pounds reliably before the motor is in trouble. So now that we got the Boss 302 finally out of all of its packaging, we're gonna go ahead and get the throttle body on, as well as the injectors and our brand new fuel rails. Right here is our 87mm throttle body from Ford Performance. I was gonna get a 90, but it was like a $300 difference. And this right here is the 87, which I think is gonna be perfect for our setup. Now to run this big 87mm throttle body, we do have a spacer here from Ford Performance as well. We're gonna go ahead and get that installed as well. And then we should be all set with the throttle body. It's supposed to be just a plug and play kit. In order to get our 87mm throttle body spacer on, we do have to cut off this little nipple, I guess, right here. So we're gonna go ahead and use these very rusty choppers. We'll call them choppers. That should be good, right? All right, guy, you do it. Master mechanic Mark over here. Oh boy, he got the fucking technique. There we go. This spacer lines up now. Wow, almost like Ford designed it like that. Dude, it doesn't even fit the lip on the inside because of how bored out it is. I don't know, it's a lot. It's a lot. Have you ever seen a stock Boss intake?
It's like...
Put those back in there.
Yeah.
Would you shut the fuck up? Quiet on the set, motherfucker. Hey, guess what, buddy? Fuck you. You need a wristband. You need a wristband, Nander. Stop fucking around, motherfucker.
Do you have assembly lube?
What the hell do you need lube for? You ever gone in dry?
Yeah, I have, and it's not the best sometimes. Especially when you're trying to do anal. I know how to gap fucking spark plugs.
Listen, I'm just good at gapping Mopars.
Mopar, no car, baby.
All right, got the first one hand tight. We're just gonna hand tighten these all in. And then I'm gonna double check the torque spec. More likely it's just an extra half turn after being hand tightened. Now these right here are MSD Street Fire coil packs. So we're gonna go ahead and get these all in the car now and see how they look.
Ford Performance fucking blows dick.
Everything we're putting on today is for performance, guy.
30 frames? Yes, you can.
Camera right now.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
So honestly, I don't know how good the microphone is. I think it's this right here.
So it really hears you.
Probably. I don't know.
Nice guy, nice.
What the fuck did you just do?
Did you hear?
Yeah. Which plug?
Last one.
Yeah, you're good.
Dodge that bullet.
Righty.
Alrighty, so now that we got all these very nice Street Fire coil packs from MSD in, we just have to go ahead and do the other side and then plug them all in.
Oh, cop it on! Hey!
Ah, shit. He's coming.
You dead?
Yeah, move. Oh, you nasty bitch. Joke's on fucking you. You smell like 5 cans of bounce that ass. 5 cans of that, dude. My belly tonight.
There we go. She's in.
And it's gonna sit right like that.
Yep.
Are you putting these things on or no?
I don't know yet, maybe. Alright, is that in there?
It should be.
So, now we got the battery tray finally back in. We can go ahead and throw the battery in if we wanted to. I don't think we're gonna do that just yet. Now that we got everything else tightened up here, I got the 2-step rehook back up. Now we just need to really just hook up all the air intake stuff and the lines for the boss, including the relocation that we don't have. So it is the next day. It's raining out and really cold, but last night we were able to pretty much get everything done here. The only thing we have left is our J&L oil separator right here. Now this is going to be the easiest part of the entire install, but the car also does not start. We tried starting it last night without the catch can on, and the catch can being on isn't going to change anything. This thing's just not going to start. We're going to have to get it towed to the tuner, and then when this thing's all tuned, we'll pretty much just be all done. So the first thing we're going to do is just pop off this stock hose right here. It's extremely tight in here now, especially near the air intake and everything because of well, us trying to get it to fit. We're gonna go ahead and take these bolts right here off again, just so we can get this oil separator on. Go ahead, we have this bracket right here, and here's the actual catch can itself. We're gonna go ahead and just put this bracket right there. Try not to lose everything in the process. I don't know how we didn't figure out how this thing works last night. I think it was just really late. We were all really tired and it was really dark out. Just get this tightened down like this. The video online is also extremely not helpful for installing this thing. This one's gonna go right on here, just like that. This is gonna go right there, just like that. And now this one right here, you have to kind of feed this through there, like that. And that just pops on just like that. Bolt back on. So I was gonna get one of the strut tower braces, the ones that fit with the boss. I was actually just about to order it, and glad I didn't, because I'm now realizing with this catch can, I don't think the strut tower brace would even fit.
It wouldn't.
Which is pretty convenient that we're checking. Like, I didn't order it. I was gonna order it maybe like half an hour ago. Glad I didn't. Catch can is finally in, and that is pretty much everything for our install here. Now all the tubes ran, pack up everything, we can get a first look at what the car looks like now. It's cold out. We're pretty much all done. Just gotta wait for the tow truck, come pick this thing up, get it all tuned, and then do some testing. So I know the car's not gonna start, but we're gonna try and start it for shits and giggles. Yep, it won't start. So yeah, see you guys next time.